Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Yeah, there's people living on here now. Basically, all this land used to belong to the Lancaster Club. That building behind us. Oh shit! Come on, give up. Yes, I hit them. It's the only drawback with having these gloves on. I can't feel when I'm pressing the buttons on the cameras, and I don't know whether they've activated until they go bip 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 and start recording. Don't think there's anyone behind me. I will indicate in any case and gear up for the rundown, which is no doubt going to be into the wind. Yes, it is. Lovely. Lovely. That means I have a crosswind, slight head going into town because I'm turning right again when the wind is coming from basically that direction. So very slight headwind when we make it down to the bottom, but much of a crosswind too, which again affects things. How quick is this going to be? How quick is this going to be in a headwind and taking it slightly easy? Here is the site of a very famous video of mine. Dog versus cyclist, I call it. Whoa, fucking hell! This received around 9,000, yeah, views. My videos tend to get about 40 on average. So, yeah, that's a fun fact, isn't it? It's been shared somewhere, someone's picked it up, and I've no idea who has. Whoever it has, they've got me a load of views, and a load of people saying I was very stupid, with which I agree. But then I make that quite clear in the video that I was stupid. So, yeah. Everyone having a go at me for something I've vindicated myself for already. Fun that. Thanks everybody. But I want to say I've matured since then, so let's see if I have. Probably not, but it's nice to think it, isn't it? And that is not a partial headwind, that is a direct headwind. Fantastic. Lovely. Lovely, and it's fucking hailing. Lovely and sunny all afternoon. Lovely and sunny. The second I decide to take my test run, it does this. Why? Why? To the cloud, finger please. Guess who's back again, yeah. Twits is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back, guess who's back. Nah. And the rest of it. Whoa! At least you said sorry. Move. Brakes. Oh my God, snow. Oh, Mr. Coach. Oh, fucking hell. Was that for a run? I'm on 47. That much in 5 minutes. That is what. That is what a slipstream does here. Let's get back in it. Oh, these. Oh well. Ooh. Well, coach, mate. Drive safe, buddy.